Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn how to add decimal numbers. So the topic is addition of decimal. Let's take some decimal from exercise 4b. So exercise also we will solve it and we will learn how to add decimal number. Let's see second number, that is 3.8 and 8.7. Now first we will take second number. How to solve it? Question is 3.8 and 8.7. In solution you have to write 3. First question you will write, that is 3.8 and 8.7. What we have to do here is we have to see the given decimal numbers in such a way that decimal points of all number fall in same vertical line. Means we have to write 3.8, then digit with the same place are placed one below the other. Okay, so point, before point what is given 3 and after point 8. Here just before is given 8.8 and after point 7 is given. What we have to do here is we will see this point and this point. First we have written one of them number, so 3.8. Now this point we will write just below this point. Okay, so what is the number then? 8. Before just what is given? 8. So we will write 8 here, and just before what is given? Just after what is given? 7. So we will write 7 here, and simple we can add it. Okay, now let's add it. 8 plus 7, what you get? 15. Write 5 here, then 1 comes. Okay, here. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. And we have to write point here, then we will write 12. So what you get? This is the answer, that is 12.5. Now let's do one more question to understand better. Let's do, student, in exercise 4b we will solve 6 number. Okay, 6 number. What is question? That is 3.007 and 0.587 and 18.341. Okay, now solution you will write question 3.007, 0.587 and 18.341. Okay, now what we have to do here is we have to write any one of, in this any number we can write. First we will write 3.007. okay, see here after point how many digit is given? 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, it is common. But see, before point how many digit is given? Here 1, here 1, here 2. So what we have to do here is we have to same process as we have done in above. First we will write below this point, we will write point and we have to place it, okay, in their place. So this is which place? This is, in the previous video I have already told you, this place is 10th place, 100th place and 1000 place. So this here, this place is 10th place. So we will put here 5. This 8, 100th place. So this place is 100th place. So we will put 8 here, and this is 1000th place. So we will put here, because this is 1000th place. So we will put 7 here. Now before what is given? 0. So just before point is given 0. So this place before that, before point, what places are? You know, ones, tens, 100 now. So this is ones place, and already ones place, what is given here? 3. So we will just below we will write 0. Now same we have to do in this. We will write point, then we will write 3, 4, 1 in their places. Now before point, see what is given? 18. So this is ones place, so we will put in one place 8, and 1, this one is in 10th place. So we will write here. So we can write 0. Okay, we can write 0 because there is empty place, so we can write 0. Okay, now when we put this 0, number cannot change. Okay, we can write 0 for there is empty place, that's why. Now let's add it. And how to add, you know, students? We have to start with which side? This side, right side. So 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 comes here, 1 we will write here. So 8 plus 4, 12, and plus 1, 13. 3, 1 here. Now 5 plus 3, 8, and this one 9. Then we will write point. In this line what is given? Point, so we will write point. Now we will solve this. 8 plus 3 or 3 plus 8. What comes? That is 11, and 1 comes here. So here 2. So this is the answer. Understand? Now this is the addition of decimals. Okay. Now we will see subtraction of decimal. How to subtract decimal number. So subtraction of decimal. Okay. Now next topic is subtraction of decimal. How to subtract a decimal number. Again we will take from what? Exercise. Okay. Let's do some of the question. Let's do third number. Okay. Now second, third. 0.82 and what is given? 8.6. This is given. Now in solution. Now in subtraction, what you have to do is, in subtraction also the numbers are written in such a way that their decimals are in the same vertical line. Okay. Now digits with the same place are placed one below the other. Empty place may be filled by 0 to get like decimal. Okay. Now subtraction is started from the right side. First we will write question. Okay. But in the result decimal point is placed just the. Now see what you have to do here is, here in this number which number is greatest, students? Okay. For looking greatest, always see before point. Here is 8 and here is 0. So which number is greatest? 8 now. So we will write 8 first. 8.6. This number we will write first. Then just below we will write same as we have done in addition. Point you will write. Then here you will write 8, 2. Here you will write 0. Now here is 2-digit number, so we have to make 2-digit number, so we can put here 0. Number cannot change, it will be 8.6, but we have to make like decimal, so we have done here 0. Now simple process, how to subtract now? Now simple, we have to carry from here because here is 0, so we will carry, 10 comes here, then 10 minus 2, that is 8. Now we have taken 1, so what is left here? 5. So again we have to carry because here is greatest number and here is smallest number. So here when we will take carry from this side, it will be 15. Okay. Now 15 minus 8. What comes? Here comes 7. Now what is left here after carrying? Here 7. So we will write 7. So the answer is 7.78. Okay. This is the answer. Now let's see one more question. That is, let's solve which number? This 10 number. Let's solve it. 2, 10. Okay. What is question? Question is given 0.845 3.71. In solution 0.845 and 3.71. Now in this, which number we will write first? Which number is greatest? This number is greatest. We will write first 3.71. Now below this we have to write same as we have done in addition. So point below we will write point, then we will put their places, that is 845. Here is 2 digit, here is 3 digit. So we have to make first equal, then we can write 0. Now we have to subtract this. Here comes 5. Okay. Now we have carried, then it becomes 0. So again we have to carry. So 10 minus 4, 6. Here what is left? 6. So here we have to carry, 16 becomes, now 16 minus 8, that is 8. Point, what is left here? 2. So this is the answer. Now let's see third number. Here see, in third number, question is saying simplify. Now we have to solve this. In first you will see here 28.796 minus 13.42 minus 2.555. So here what is given? 2 subtraction is given. How you will solve this? You know students, this number before there is no sign, but we can know it will be plus sign. Okay. So third number, first see how you will solve this. 28.796 minus 13.42 minus 2.555. Okay. Now in solution, first you will write question 28.796 minus 13.42 minus 2.555. Now first, according to board mass, what we have to do first? That is addition. Okay, according to board mass, first we have to do addition. Okay. Now next see, after addition what we have to do? Subtraction. Okay. So here see, this minus sign, what comes? Plus. Minus minus, what comes? Plus. Okay. So here we will write minus 13.42, then we will write 2.555. Okay. And minus sign also. So here are 2 minus sign, but we have to add. What we have to do first? we have to add it. There is more, we have to take minus. Why? Because both are minus sign. So we have taken both, but we have to add because minus minus comes plus. So let's add it. 5 here, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 4, 9.32, 3 plus 2, 5, 1. But here what you have to do is, you have to give minus sign here. Okay. Now, this number is left and this we have get after adding. Now, we have to solve. That is 28.796 minus 15.975. Okay. We have solved this. We get this number. Now, we have to subtract this with this number. Why? Here is addition, here is subtraction. So, we have to subtract. Which number is greatest? This number is greatest. So, we will write above 28.796. And below this, we will write this number 15.975. And we will give minus sign because we have to subtract. Now, let's subtract. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. Here 7, here is 9. So, we have to carry. So, here comes 17. So, 17 minus 9, what comes? 8. Okay. Now, what is left here? 7. So, 7 minus 5, 2, and we will put point. Okay. Now, 2 minus 1, 1. See, what you have got the answer, that is 12.821. So, here you will write this also answer, but you have to write here, that is 12.821. Understand? Okay. Now, let's do one more question. Okay. See, let's see this number. Okay. So, what is given? 38.00 minus 30 plus 200.200 minus 0.230. Let's solve this number. See, third, fourth, 8. Okay, third 8 I am taking. Now, question you have to write 38.00 minus 30 plus 200 minus 0.200 minus 0.230. Okay. Now, what you have to do here is, let's see. Here is positive number, here is negative number, here is positive number, here is negative number. So, we have to do together. We have to solve this together. So, here what you have to do here is, we have to add this. Okay, we have to add this and this minus sign, this minus sign. Also, we have to add this, but we have to give here minus sign. So, let's solve it together. 38.00, 200.200. We have to add this. Okay. Now, here this 30, this is greatest number, only 30 is given. Okay, point is not given, so we can write point and make 0 0, because in here this sign is same, this sign is same, so we will compare this number. So here 0.230, so we can put one more 0. Now here both are negative, but we have to add here. Okay, both are negative sign, but we have to add. Let's solve this. Here comes again, here now it comes 0 0 2.832. Okay, after adding this two, what you get? 238.200. Now here let's see, you have to again add here 3, 2.03. Any doubt? But you have to give sign, minus sign. Now here sign is plus sign, here is minus sign. Now what you have to do here is you have to subtract. Okay, you have to subtract this with this number. So here you will write 238.200. Why we have written this in above? Because it is greatest number and this is smallest number. Now we will give minus sign and we will write 30.230. Let's subtract it. See, 0, 0, 0. Here is 3 and here is 0. We have to take from this number, that is, it becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7. Now here what number is left? 1. So again we have to carry. So it becomes 11. 11 minus 2, it comes 9. Then we will write point. Now 8. No, it will be 7. Okay, it will be 7 because we have already taken one number from here. So it will be 7. Now 3 minus 3, it will be 0 and 2 as written. Okay, now what you have get answer is 207.970. This is the answer. Now rest of the question you can solve by yourself. Please try. Now let's see fourth number question. What is question is saying? Find the difference between 6.85 and 0.685. So here question is saying you have to find the difference between this number and this number. So difference is said here. So what we have to do? We have to subtract. If question will ask find the sum between this and this, then you can add. But here differences is saying, so we have to subtract these two number. Okay. So how you will write the statement? Let's see. In fourth, here solution, you will write differences between this number and this number. Then 6.85 minus 0.685. You have to solve this. Whatever you get the answer, you can write here. That is the answer. Okay. Please try, students. Now let's see fifth number. Take out the sum of this 19.38 and 56.025. Then subtract it from this number. So first question is saying take out the sum of this. Again sum. So we have to add here. What is given? Here differences is saying okay, find the differences. So we have subtract here, but here take out the sum. So we have to add here. These two number we will add. Then whatever you get the answer after adding, you have to subtract with this number. Okay. Now let's see how you will solve this. See solution. Sum of. Question is saying find the sum of this. So we have added. See this also you have to solve in solution. Okay. So what you have get? 75.405. So sum what you have get? This much. Now we have to subtract with this number and this number. So differences of this and this, that is after subtracting, you have to subtract in this side. Now you get answer 124.706. So this is the answer. Students, rest question I will told you in next video. Whatever question I have not told you, please try to solve. It is very easy. Okay, you have to try. Now, if you like my video, then like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.